To install Lumion View, we need two things: SketchUp and the Lumion View plugin. So in order to get started, we first log into our Lumion account. We do this by opening up the Lumion webpage and selecting My Account in the top right. After signing in, we see the welcome screen. Select the License Keys tab. Under the product menu, you will see your Lumion View details, including the version, license key, and number of seats assigned. Finally, there is the Download Product button. Click it to download the plugin. This will download the plugin to your browser downloads folder. Let's now jump into SketchUp. Navigate to Extensions, and then the Extensions Manager. On the bottom left, you will see an Install Extensions button. Select it. It will open a File Explorer menu. Navigate to where you downloaded the Lumion View file. After it is installed, you should see a new ribbon on your toolbar with Lumion View. The second button from the left launches Lumion View. This will open the Viewer window and the login page. When prompted, you need to use your Lumion account credentials. Congratulations, you are ready to get started.